Tianjin Shihai Tongyong Steel Structure Company Limited was established in September 2007 and is located in the Daqiuzhuang Industrial Park, Jinghai County, Tianjin City, China. The company covers an area of more than 50,000 square meters, with a processing workshop of 20,000 square meters, and has a monthly production capacity of 3,000 tons. The company currently employs 76 staff members. Its core business focuses on the production of steel structure products for building applications and steel structure design. Annual production capacity for steel structure products exceeds 36,000 tons. These products are widely applied in industrial plants, warehouses, sports venues, large supermarkets, residential rooftops, and small villas. The company holds a Grade 2 professional contracting qualification for steel structure engineering and construction projects, a construction safety production license, and compliant with the ISO 9001 International Certification Standard for Quality Management System requirements. It can provide customers with integrated services including design, production, and construction installation. The company places great emphasis on the research and application of advanced production technologies and equipment both domestically and internationally, while also prioritizing the recruitment and cultivation of professional talent with a team of senior engineers, ensuring the exceptional quality of its products, and projects through its strong technical capabilities and comprehensive strengths. It has been continuously expanding its production and business scale while introducing cutting-edge technology and improving production processes. Whether your company is selecting a product from our existing catalog or seeking assistance with engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center at any time.